Hi everyone and welcome. In this video we will see how to download and install OpenPort in the Raspberry Pi. Now if you want to create your own cloud MQTT broker, okay, then you can use OpenPort to create your own cloud MQTT broker. So basically we will install Mosquito or any other MQTT broker in the Raspberry Pi or Windows machine, and in the top of that we can use OpenPort to forward our localhost 1883 port to the public IP address and port number to create our own MQTT broker. So for that, OpenPort installation is must. So in this video, we will see how to install and download the OpenPort in the Raspberry Pi. And then after, in the future videos, we will see how to create your own public MQTT broker using Mosquito and the openport.io. So let's cover this first video, that how to download and install OpenPort in the Raspberry Pi. So my Raspberry Pi is up and running on the IP address 192.168.1.10. So I can connect with my Raspberry Pi using SSH. So SSH parrot 192.168.1.10, and here is the password. So we want to install and download the OpenPort in the Raspberry Pi. So here is the website of OpenPort, okay, and here you can see the diagram. So this is you, or it's me, okay, and we want to forward some local port to the public IP address. Then we can use OpenPort. So OpenPort will forward that local port to the public IP address, and from anywhere in the world we can access that service, or we can access that web page or anything. To access our Mosquito broker services from anywhere in the world, we first have to download and install the OpenPort in our Raspberry Pi or Windows machine. So here you can navigate to the download section, and here you can see Debian, Raspbian, ARM 64-bit, Raspberry Pi 3, 4 and 5. So here I'm going to copy the link, okay, and I will open my SSH command window of my Raspberry Pi, and then we will type wget and we will paste that link here, and then we will hit enter. Okay, here you can see it is downloading and it is downloaded. Now we can press ls, and here you can see latest.deb, and then we can install it. Okay, so to install it, here you can navigate to the OpenPort website, and here you have the command to install it. Okay, so we will copy this command, sudo dpkg-i, okay, and we will navigate to the Raspberry Pi, and then we will use this latest.debian package to install the OpenPort in our Raspberry Pi. So I will hit enter. Okay, so OpenPort is successfully installed in my Raspberry Pi. Now let me check if it is installed or not. So we will type open port and then we will hit enter. So here you can see the usage and more information about how to use this OpenPort application. Now we have to register our Raspberry Pi as a device in the OpenPort website. Okay, so what we can do is you can create your account, or you can log in if you have existing account. So I'm going to log into my account, and then after we will navigate to the keys option, and here you have this command. So you can copy this command, you can paste that command in the Raspberry Pi, okay, and then you have to hit enter. So it will register your Raspberry Pi as a device, okay, and here you will receive the message that key successfully registered. And once it is registered, you will see the difference here once you refresh your page. Okay, you can see Raspberry Pi, okay, and the public key, and it is created at this location. Now we can use this openport.io website to forward our local port to the public IP address. So how to do that? That thing we are going to cover in the future videos. So we have successfully installed the OpenPort software in the Raspberry Pi. Now the same way we are going to install the OpenPort software in our Windows machine, and then after we will forward our local port to the public IP address to create our own public MQTT broker. Okay, so let's meet in the future videos, and in the future videos we are going to cover this topic, and then after we are going to cover the entire topic, that how to create your own public MQTT broker using Mosquito and openport.io. Okay, so stay tuned for the future videos. Till then, take care, goodbye, and thank you.